Okay guys, so to start with, we are going to make our slip knot, and we are going to chain multiple of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so it's up to you guys if you are going to make like mine, or if you're going to extend. Okay, it's all up to you. Okay, so with this one I'm going to do this way. Okay, so after that you just have to think. Okay, if you're going to make bigger, okay, it's just multiple of 6. Okay, so 6, you just have to add 6, 6, 6, 6 wherever you want. Okay, so from here you're going to chain 3. Okay, and into the last chain that we blocked, okay, we're going to double crochet. Double crochet in each stitch, okay, until you finish the row. Okay, so you finish that, guys. Okay, so just double crochet until you finish this row, and I'll come back when you finish that. Okay guys, so I'm here at the end. Okay, we're going to chain 3, okay, and turn our work. Okay, what we're going to do next is skip 2, okay, and the third. Okay, so 1, 2, and the third we are going to make our puff. Okay, so by doing or making our puff, okay, so wrap your yarn. Okay, so and then we skip 2, 1, 2, and then to the third. Okay, pull up the yarn, and then yarn over, insert, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull up yarn. Okay, so that's 3 and 4. Okay, so when we got here, we are going to yarn over and then pull through, and we have 2 there, and then pull through 2. Okay, and then after that we're going to skip chain 1. Okay, so chain 1, and we are going to do the same thing in the same space. Okay, yarn over, pull through, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Sorry guys. Okay, so then chain 1, and then we'll do the another one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so after this we're not going to chain 1, we skip 2, and then single crochet into the next. So as you can see, okay, so after that, okay, we're ready to do our puff. Okay, so yarn over, okay, skip 2, 1, 2, and then the third, pull up 2, 3, and 4. Chain 1, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Chain 1 and another one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we are just going to repeat that. Okay, so skip 2 and the third. Okay, we have to single crochet, and then skip 2, 1, 2, and the third, puff again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, that's only 4. Sorry guys. Okay, so 4, then yarn over, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Okay, and then chain 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then chain 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, and the third, single crochet. So as you can see, that is our flower. Okay, so please continue that. Okay, so please continue that until you get to the end, and I'll meet you guys. So I got to the end. Okay, if you like, you can fasten this off, cut it off, and we are going to start with a new color. So what we're going to do is just like slip knot, and then at the last stitch, okay, we are going to insert our yarn, okay, and we are going to chain 2, 3, and we are just going to double crochet, okay, in each space or in each chain, just 1 double crochet in each. So no special, no increase, no decrease. Okay, so just make sure that you count your stitches, okay, when you started, and it will be the same chain. Okay, so just continue doing that, and we are just going to repeat what we've done into the first and second row. And it will be just continuous 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay, so one for round 1 and 2. Okay, so we will be just doing that in the whole entire project. Okay, So as you can see, it's just one double crochet in each chain. Okay, and the last chain. Okay, so just make sure that you do have your numbers, okay, in the first row. Okay, you have your numbers in the second row. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so from here we're going to chain 3 and turn our work, and we're going to do the same. Okay, so skip 2 1 2, and the third we're going to do our puff stitch 2 3 4 and close, chain 1 and do the same, 1 2 3 4 and close, chain 1 and the third one, 2 3 4. Okay, so after that skip 2 1 2 and the third single crochet, and then skip 2 and the third puff stitch. Okay, 3 puff stitch in the same stitch, 2 3 4, close, chain 1 1 2 3 4, close, chain 1 and the last one, 1 2 3 4, closed, and skip 2 1 2 and the third single crochet. Okay, so you will be doing that as you can see. Okay, as you can see, we are seeing our garden of flowers. Okay, so just continue that, and I will come back and I will meet you up here when we finish. So I just finished my last one, and here in the last, okay, we are just going to make a double crochet in the last stitch. Okay, and then after that you can, as you can see there, you can cut it off. Okay, for now, because I'm going to change my yarn, okay, so I will just leave it like that. Okay, so then in the last chain here, okay, we're going to insert our hook and chain 3. Okay, so what we're going to do now is this sign. Okay, we are going to double crochet in each chain, okay, until to the end. So it's just a repetition of what we've done.
Excuse me.
Hello guys, so I have done my puff stitch, as you can see. Okay, they're really cute. Okay, so you can adjust and just continue doing it. Okay, you can use this as motif. Okay, and you can create anything from this. Okay, you can use this for blankets, through pillow cover, cushion cover, scarf, or anything like that. Okay, thank you very much, guys. Hopefully you like this video and you like the stitch that I made. And thank you very much for watching, and thank you very much for subscribing as well. And have a great day, and hopefully everyone is safe, and until the next video, bye.